viewers, welcome to SP Minds channel. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఇంకో మోడల్ పేపర్ చూద్దాం. నవంబర్ 2019 పేపర్ కోడ్ 148 అకౌంట్స్ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఆఫ్ లోకల్ బాడీ సెకండ్ పేపర్. No government servant shall be granted leave of any kind for continuous period of exceeding 5 years as per FR 18. Fundamental rules came into the force with effect from 1st Jan 1922. Every government servant shall be devoted to his duty and shall maintain all of the above: absolute integrity, discipline, impartiality. The government may relax the provisions of rules, orders in such a manner as many appear to them to be just and equitable, provided that where any such rule or order is applicable to the case of any person or class of persons, the case shall not be dealt with in any manner less favorable to him or them than that provided by that rule or order. FR 5A, Fundamental Rule 5A. The power of interpreting these fundamental rules is reserved to the state government. The government servant is permitted to attend departmental examination, obligatory and optional, will be treated as duty not more than twice. FR 9, subclass 6, subclass B, subclass 3. Title of government servant to hold substantially either immediately or on the termination of period or periods of absence a permanent post, including a tenure post to which he has been appointed substantially, is known as lien. Service in which government servant receives his pay with the sanction of government from any source other than the consolidated fund of the union or of the state or of the union territory is known as foreign service. Substantive pay means the pay other than special pay, personal pay or emoluments classed as pay under Rule 921A, subclass 3. Dash is created where a permanent person cannot have a lien on regular permanent post due to non-availability of such post. Supernumerary post. A member of a service may resign his appointment and the acceptance of his resignation by the appointing authority shall take effect. All of these. In case he is on duty from the date on which he is relieved of his duties in pursuance of such acceptance, in case he is on leave from the date of communication of such acceptance to the member, in case he is on leave if the said authority so directs from the date of expiry of leave. As per FR 18A, a government servant shall be deemed to have resigned from the service if he, both 1 and 2, remains absent from duty for a continuous period exceeding 5 years with leave, remains absent from the duty for a continuous period exceeding 5 years without leave. Fixation under Fundamental Rule 22B arises in case 1 and 2. When deputed to foreign service in the time scale, when promoted to higher post involving higher responsibilities from a lower post according to the option of government servant. No employment should be undertaken during leave. FR 69. Dies non means willful absence from duty without any leave application or grant of leave. An increment may be withheld from a government servant by the state government or by any authority to whom the state government may delegate this power if his conduct has not been good or his work has not been satisfactory. FR 24. Fundamental Rule 28 deals with fixation of pay when reverted to lower grade as a measure of penalty. The name of person who does not join within the stipulated time in the promotion post shall be not considered. Authority competent to sanction the deputation of government servant to foreign service is head of the department. The period of absence not covered by grant of leave shall have to be treated as dies non for all purposes, all of the above, increment, leave, pension. A government servant who is appointed to officiate in a post shall not draw pay higher than his substantive pay in respect of permanent post. Fundamental Rule 30. As per FR 40, when a temporary post is created, which will probably be filled by a person who is already government servant, its pay should be fixed by the state government with due regard to both 1 and 2. The character and responsibility of work to be performed, the existing pay of government servants of a status sufficient to warrant their selection for the post. As per FR 67, leave cannot be claimed as a right when the exigencies of public service so require. Discretion to refuse or revoke leave any description is reserved to the authority empowered to grant it. A government servant on leave may not return to the duty before the expiry of the leave granted to him unless he is permitted to do so by the authority which granted him leave. FR 72(1). A transfer to foreign service is not admissible unless both 1 and 2. The duties to be performed after the transfer are such as should, for public relations, be rendered by government servant. The government servant transferred holds at the time of transfer post paid from general revenues or holds a lien on a permanent post. Special compensatory allowance is payable to all employees working in the scheduled areas. For the purpose of claiming LTC, bill should be countersigned by the controlling officer before presenting them at the treasury. LTC is applicable to none of the above. The concurrence of Finance Department is necessary for delegation of powers to lower authority. FR 7. According to FR 130, persons transferred to government service from a local fund which is not administered by government, both 1 and 2, will be treated as joining a first post under government. The state government may allow previous service subject to certain terms. A record of services of each gazetted government servant is maintained by the dash in prescribed form. Head of the office, head of the department. When a government servant service is terminated by dismissal, his service book should be retained for the period of 5 years. Medical certificate of fitness is compulsory at the time of appointment to the permanent post in government service, leave on medical grounds. Transfer of an officer is not completed until the certificate of transfer of charge has been signed by relieving officer only. Relieved government servant only, both 1 and 2 has to sign. Consider the following statements. Service rendered in higher post counts for increment in higher post if again promoted to the same or identical post. Service rendered in higher post does not count for increment in the higher post if again promoted to the same or identical post. Which of the following statements are true? Only one. No government servant shall be given his increment unless an increment certificate as prescribed in Treasury Code dash is signed by drawing officer and attached to pay bill form 49. Minimum number of days to be worked for sanction of additional pay in FSC arrangements 14 working days. In FSC arrangements made by the government, additional pay can be granted by HOD and government for a period 6 months. Dash deals with period of service which will count for increment FR 26. Where the period of probation is 2 years, whose increment is annual, the probationer is entitled to draw the first increment after commencement of probation His second increment will have to be drawn only with effective from the date following the date of declaration of probation. An employee is placed under suspension on reasons of grave misconduct when he is convinced by court of law and sentenced to prison for a period of not less than 48 hours. Dobie allowance is sanctioned to the employees working against the categories of post in departments, all of the above: medical and health department, fire service, prisons. Leading firemen will be allowed risk allowance. Which of the following allowance is sanctioned to the employees working in certain posts in local bodies, municipalities and municipal corporations? Supervisory allowance. Where the employees are entitled to rent-free accommodation and where such accommodation has not been provided for them, they are entitled to receive additional HRA. Free supply of electrical energy is allowed to the employees working against the following categories of posts: all of the above: superior and subordinate staff of the governor, house surgeons and house physicians attached to the government hospitals, nursing staff attached to government hospitals. For claiming traveling allowance, journey on office tour, it has to be more than 8 kilometers from the headquarters. The facility of rent-free accommodation is allowed to the employees working in the following projects: Vamshadhara project, Somashila project, Singanuru project. Consider the following statements. A traveling allowance is admissible to a government servant if transferred from one place to another in a public interest. If the transfer is at the request of the individual, traveling allowance is not admissible. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Dash allowance is allowed to blind and orthopedically handicapped government servants. Conveyance allowance. Blood bank allowance is sanctioned to the employees working as staff nurse in blood bank units of hospital. Which of the following allowances are not compensatory allowances? None. Equipment allowance is allowed to the officers of the state government who are deputed for attending training courses other country. What is the status of reimbursement of Tatkal charges in RPS 2015? Tatkal charges will be reimbursed in cases of journeys between originating and terminating station subject to a certification from the controlling officer. What are the allowances exempted from court attachment? Traveling allowance, medical reimbursement, educational concessions, all of the above. As per TR 10, the procedure to be adopted by the government servants in receiving monies on account of the revenues of the state, granting receipts for such monies and paying them into the government account and by the treasury and the bank in receiving such monies and granting receipts for them shall be such as may be prescribed by the Finance Minister after consultation with the AG. Dash may be permit withdrawal of monies from the government account for any purpose as per TR 14, Accountant General. The leave salary of the government servant, gazetted or non-gazetted, shall be drawn from the treasury or office of the disbursement from the which his pay or expenses could be drawn if he was on duty. TR 20. A government servant who receives any money on behalf of the government shall give the payer. The government shall give the payer cash as per SR 2 of TR 10. Receipt shall give the payer receipt. Pensions payable in India may be paid in any district of the state. TR 21. Dash shall be responsible to the Accountant General for acceptance of the validity of a claim against which he has permitted withdrawal and for evidence that the payee has actually received the sum withdrawn. Treasury Officer. Instructions to drawing officers are given under both 1 and 2, TR 28, TR 29 of the Treasury Code. Drawing officers. Instructions to drawing officers are given under TR 28, TR 29 of the Treasury Code. A collector may, in circumstances of urgency, by an order, in writing authorize and require a treasury officer to make a payment, not being a payment of pension without complying with the provisions of a rules. AR 27. No government servant may issue dash granted for money received by him on allegation that the original receipt has been lost or is not available. Duplicate copy of a receipt. A disbursing officer shall not make a last payment of a pay and allowances etc. to government servant who is finally leaving the service of government on retirement, resignation or dismissal, or is placed under suspension until he has satisfied himself that no amount is due to the government by the government servant. What is the special compensatory allowance admissible to an employee drawing basic pay range 34,211 and above up to 41,318 RPS 2015 working in non-mandals of tribal areas 860 rupees per month. CA permissible to grade 2 officer traveling outside the state RPS 2015 450 rupees. As per APTA rules and revised in RPS 2015, the HOD can permit officers of the rank of dash and above to travel by air to other states in emergency conditions. Deputy Director. What is the bill form for employee advance bill? APTC 40. A treasury officer received an intimation from the accountant general that monies have been incorrectly withdrawn and that a certain sum should be recovered from a drawing officer. What is the action to be taken by the treasury officer? The treasury officer shall effect the recovery without delay and without regard to any correspondence undertaken or contemplated with reference to the retrenchment order. Which of the following statements are true? 1 and 2 are true. Increment falling due on any day of the month will become due on the very first day of the month. Service rendered in higher post counts for increment in lower post. A government servant on joining time shall be regarded as on duty and shall be entitled to be paid drawn at old station, DA, HRA and CCA at old station. If government servant in transit to transfer is directed to proceed to a place different from that indicated in the initial transfer order, she shall be entitled another fresh spell of full joining time from the date of following the date of receipt of revised order. If government servant is transferred in the vacation, permitted to join at the end of vacation. If vacation and leave together is less than 120 days, then only joining time is admissible. Extraordinary leave on medical grounds up to 6 months counted for increment under order of the department. As per F449, additional pay at 1/5 of the basic pay plus compensatory allowance dash are permissible after sanction of HOD, full or permissible. When a government servant is with proper sanction deputed on duty out of India to hold a regularly constituted permanent or quasi-permanent post other than a post born on the cadre of a service to which he belongs, his pay shall be regulated by the orders of central government. A government servant supplied with funds for expenditure shall be responsible for such funds until an account of them has been rendered to the satisfaction of the accountant general. Every receipt for sum exceeding 5,000 shall be duly stamped by revenue stamp of 1 rupee SR 2S of TR 16. No bill or voucher shall be signed by clerk for head of the office. The head of the office may delegate the powers to his subordinate gazetted officer. His delegation of powers dash the head of the office from his responsibility for the accuracy of the bills and disbursement of money shall relieve. Which of the following statements are true as per SR 2G of TR 16? Both 1 and 2. Pay and allowances shall be rounded off for each item 50 paisa and above to the next rupee. Pay and allowances shall be rounded off for each item below 50 paisa shall be ignored. Any amount to be recovered by the order of a court shall be deducted by the DDO. Such recoveries shall be shown in the schedules in the APTC Form 41C. As per SR 25 of TR 16, the Treasury shall send the statements of amounts due by local bodies along with bills to Accountant General. Overstay of joining time constitutes misbehavior. She is not eligible for pay or leave salary for 108. The amount payable to an employee while under suspension during first 3 months equal to leave salary and half pay leave. The employee transferred on foreign service shall hold lien on a permanent post from which he is transferred. FR 111. The period of foreign service is 3 years by HOD and not exceeding 5 years with the prior permission of the government. After completion of 5 years of service in deputation, who are repatriated to the parent department due to their promotion in parent department, they should not be considered for further deputation till they satisfactorily complete probation in the promoted post. If seniority promotion has been revised and fixed from as earlier date, pay may be refixed on the basis of notional duty in the post from time to time. Stoppage of increment without cumulative effect, the officer's pay is restored to what it would have been had his increment not been withheld from the next natural date from which he would have drawn an increment. Ruling 1 under FR 24. Deductions made in the bills shall be supported by proper schedules in prescribed form. SR 2I under FR 16. Dash is the competent authority to issue authorization of pensionary benefits to the employee of the state Accountant General. In all the proved cases of a bribery, the penalty to be imposed is dismissal from service as prescribed by the government. In case there is a delay in publication of results of departmental tests, and if the candidate has passed such tests, the employee is deemed to have passed such tests from the last date of such exam for the purpose of sanctioning increment. What is the FTA admissible to an employee having a revenue jurisdiction of revenue division more than 3 mandals, drawing a pay scale of 18,400 to 55,410 thousand rupees per month. Employees participating in the rallies and campus organized by the Bharat Scouts and Guides are eligible for special casual leave of dash in calendar year 30 days. As per FR 55, leave may not be granted to government servant under suspension. No government servant who has been granted leave on medical certificate or for reasons of ill health shall return the duty without producing medical fitness certificate. For LTC claim, it has to be preferred within 30 days from the date of journey. Regarding passing language test in Telugu, which one is correct? 1 and 2. A person who passed the SSC or its equivalent exam with Telugu as one of the subjects was exempted. A person who crossed the age of 45 years is exempted. Viewers, November 2019 మోడల్ పేపర్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.